Trademark Assignment Deed. What is Trademark Assignment Deed? As for selling of any property being car or house etc., a sale agreement is made between the buyer and the seller in order to transfer the property. So, in the same way, trademark is transferred by an assignment deed between the assigner and the assignee, and such assignment deed is registered and updated with the name of the buyer in the records of trademark registry. Important points to be included in the trademark assignment deed. The most important clause to be included in the trademark assignment deed is selling price or the consideration for which transfer is made, and stamp duty is calculated on same consideration. Geographical area in which the assignee or purchaser can use the brand name. Details for whether transfer is with goodwill or without goodwill. Types of trademark assignment deed. A trademark can be assigned in the following different ways: complete assignment, partial assignment, assignment with goodwill, assignment without goodwill. Complete assignment. When all the rights vested in a trademark, including rights to further transfer royalties etc., are legally granted to another entity or person, is known as complete assignment of trademark. Partial assignment. Under the partial assignment, there are certain restrictions on the transfer of ownership to certain products or services only, and the owner of the trademark has the right to further transfer the trademark and earn its royalties. For example, a owner of a tea and a biscuit brand transfers proprietary rights only related to the tea brand and retains the rights to transfer over the biscuit brand. It is known as partial assignment. Assignment with goodwill. When the owner transfers all the rights and royalties of the trademark related to all product or service which are owned by owner, is known as assignment with goodwill. Assignment without goodwill. When both the parties, that is the seller and buyer, can use a same trademark but for different products or services, owner of the trademark does not allow the assignee to trade in the products in which he used to. In any of the above cases, the assignment or transfer of the trademark must be recorded with the registrar of the trademark. Our team will help you in company or LLP registration, GST, taxation services, trademark and other IPR services, auditing and assurance, accountancy, corporate advisory services, and all kind of regulatory and departmental approvals. For more information, contact us at 7566 77766 or 9131920764. Email info@sonamgeda.com. Visit our website www.sonamgeda.com.